Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to set up distance-based delivery rates. We offer two types of distance-based validation. The first option is standard radius-based validation. This calculates the exact straight-line distance from your store location. The second option is driving distance-based validation. This calculates the delivery distance based on actual road routes. Let's start with standard radius-based validation. To enable this, you need a Google Maps API key. The key must have two APIs enabled: the Geocoding API and the Places API. I already have an API key configured. If you need help generating one, you can watch the API setup video linked in the description. Once the key is added, click Validate and Save. After enabling radius-based validation, we'll return to the dashboard and configure our delivery zones. Click Configure Location, then select any location to define range. In this example, we will use the USA main location as our Zone 1. This location will handle deliveries within a 10-mile radius. From our app, I have duplicated our Zone 1 location and renamed it to USA Main Long Range. This will act as our Zone 2, which will cater to addresses which are between 10 to 20 miles. Both the zones can be fulfilled from the same store location. This distance setting can be configured in miles or kilometers based on your preference. Now, when I return to the cart page, it will ask me for an address instead of a zip code. This is because delivery is now calculated based on address, not postal code. Let's test it. I enter 57th Street, New York. The system checks the location and confirms that local delivery is available. You can configure different delivery rates for different radius ranges. For example, you can charge $20 for deliveries within 10 miles. You can charge $35 for deliveries within 20 miles. Each zone can have its own pricing and schedule. Driving distance validation requires one additional API, the Routes API. This is enabled using the same Google Maps API key with the extra service activated. Our API setup tutorial explains how to enable all required services. After enabling the Routes API, click Validate and Save again. Now both validation modes are available. Let's test standard radius validation first. I enter an address within 10 miles of the store location. For example, 355th Avenue. I select a date and time slot. At checkout, the system correctly applies the $20 delivery rate. Now I test an address between 10 and 20 miles. The calendar may show a different schedule based on configuration. At checkout, the delivery charge updates to $35. Next, I switch to driving distance-based validation. The API key remains auto-filled, so no need to re-enter it. Now I test an address under 10 miles driving distance, such as Metro Tech Center, Brooklyn. I select a date. At checkout, the system applies the $20 delivery rate. Then I test an address that is between 10 and 20 miles driving distance. After selecting the slot and proceeding to checkout, the delivery rate updates to $35. This confirms that both validation methods are working correctly. That's how you enable and configure both radius-based and driving distance-based delivery validation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.